Welcome to Sagist Group Luxury Furniture Factory, where luxury meets artistry. At Sagist Group, we redefine elegance through expertly crafted furniture for hotels, villas, homes, restaurants, and offices. Each piece is a fusion of sophistication, style, and comfort, designed to elevate any space with timeless beauty. Our expertise: hotel furniture, all hotel furniture, full turnkey, custom bespoke furniture. Impress your guests with exquisite reception desks, lounge seating, and luxurious beds. Home furniture, add elegance to your living room, dining area, or outdoor spaces with premium designs. Villa furniture, create bespoke interiors with custom chandeliers, statement pieces, and unmatched craftsmanship. Restaurant furniture, design inviting dining spaces with durable and stylish tables, chairs, and bar stools. Office furniture, boost productivity with ergonomic chairs, sleek desks, and smart storage solutions. Our signature services: custom design, furniture crafted exclusively to your vision. Interior design, transforming spaces into harmonious works of art. Project management, seamless, timely, and cost-effective execution. Global shipping and installation, safely delivered and installed by experts. Why Sagist Group? With an uncompromising dedication to quality, we combine top-tier materials and masterful craftsmanship. Trust Sagist Group to turn your